Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Tanji Afrin, lecturer, Finance and Banking Department, Milestone College.
Milestone College, Finance and Banking, Class 10, Chapter 10 and 11. First one is all about Chapter 10, Introduction of Commercial Bank. Board, Rajshahi and Sylhet, 2019. Nilima Bank Limited is a well-established bank. The bank collects money from the public through various accounts and conducts banking activities. Recently, the bank granted a loan of some money to a businessman named Mr. Adib. Mr. Adib opened an account in the bank and withdrew the loan money through that account. Besides, Nilima Bank Limited gives various guarantees to Mr. Adib to pay money to the exporter when buying goods from abroad. As a result, Mr. Adib's business activities are increasing day by day. This is the stem. Now, the question. Number A. What is bill discounting? For 1. B. Explain how commercial banks help in regional development. For number 2. Number C. What kind of source does Nilima Bank Limited use for fundraising? Explain. For number 3. Last, number D. Evaluate the main activities of Nilima Bank Limited in the light of the function of a commercial bank. For number 4. Here is the answers. First one, A. What is bill discounting? Answer is selling a document to a commercial bank at a price lower than the written price before the due date is called bill discounting. This is knowledge level question. Next, B. Explain how commercial bank helps in regional development. Answer. Commercial banks support regional development by opening branches in different parts of the country. Regional development through commercial and other functions of a commercial bank is one of them. The bank operates its banking activities by opening branches in remote area of the country. C. What kind of sources does Nilima Bank Limited use for fundraising? Explain. Answer. Nilima Bank Limited has used the external source of fund as customers' deposit in raising funds. Commercial banks raise their required capital from various sources. The customer's deposit is one of these sources. Commercial banks collect deposit from customers through current, savings, fixed and various term deposit. The sum of the deposits collect in one of the major source of capital of a commercial bank. If we look at the balance sheet of a commercial bank, we will see that a large portion of the total capital of a commercial bank is borrowed through deposit. In the stem, Nilima Bank Limited is a well-established bank that collects money from the public through various accounts and conducts banking activities. Here, the function of raising fund of a bank is to take the deposit of the customer through various accounts. Customers' money deposits in the bank through various accounts which are drawn at the end of the specific period. Nilima Bank makes a profit by using the customer's deposit as a loan or investment. Last one, number D. Question is evaluate the main activities of Nilima Bank Limited in the light of the functions of a commercial bank? Answer: as a commercial bank, the main function of Nilima Bank is to collect deposit and give loans. A commercial bank is a financial intermediary that collects deposits from the public at low interest rates and makes a profit by providing loan and other financial services to the public at high interest rate. As a commercial bank, Nilima Bank performs many functions for the purpose of making profit. Among these functions, the main ones are collection of deposits through various accounts, lending, invest in profitable projects, act as customers' trustee and representative, issues of creation and certificate of exchange. Next question is about the chapter 11, bank deposit, Dhaka Board 2019. After joining the government school as an assistant teacher, Mr. Shopon came to know that his salary allowance and other financial benefits would be through bank account. Since he had no bank account, he went to a bank with a senior assistant teacher. The bank officer asked him to fill up the customer contract form first. At last, Mr. Shopon's account was opened. The bank manager handed him a plastic card and said that modern banking products are playing a special role in improving the quality of life of the customer. Now the questions are: number A, what is the main purpose of chain bank? For number 1. B, explain the reason for opening different types of bank account. For number 2. C, what kind of account has Mr. Shopon opened? Explain in the light of the stimulus. For number 3. D, analyze and evaluate the statement of the bank manager of the stimulus. For number 4. Here are the answers. Number A, what is the main purpose of chain bank? Answer is, the main objective of chain bank is mutual improvement or profit. Number B, explain the reasons for opening different types of bank account. Answer, considering the needs of different sections of the society and people of different professions, arrangements are made to open different types of account in the bank. The needs and requirement of each class and profession of our society are different. The type of banking service that an employee needs are different from the type of banking services that a businessman needs. After considering all these issues, various types of accounts are opened in the bank for the purpose of collecting more deposit. Number C, what kind of account has Mr. Shopon opened? Explain in the light of the stimulus. Here the answer. Mr. Shopon has opened a saving account as per STEM. A savings account is a bank account that allows you to deposit money as many times as you want daily, but not more than twice a week. The banker customer pays interest at a fixed rate on the money deposit as a saver. Savings account is useful for employees, housewives, students. Mr. Shopon, as per STEM, is an assistant teacher. Other financial benefits including his salary allowance will be provided through bank account. since he is an employee and will not deposit money as is once or twice a month and will not need to draw his money more than twice a week. The savings account is better for him. If he opens a savings account, he will get all the benefits as a bank as well as interest against the deposit. Instead, a debit card will be issued from the bank. Since he has opened accounts for people with fixed income and salary withdrawals, it can be said that his account is a savings account. Last, number D. The question is, analyze and evaluate the statement of the bank manager of the stimulus. And the answer is, as per STEM, a debit card has been given to Mr. Shopun by the bank manager, which helps to improve and speed up the quality of life of the customer. An electronic plastic card is a debit card that a customer can use to draw money, transfer or pay for goods and services. Banks issues a wide range of banking products to improve and quality of life of their customers by providing high quality banking services to more customers at low cost. Such electronic products are debit card, credit card, ATMs, online banking, phone banking, SMS banking, etc. Such modern electronic banking services have improved the quality of life of the customer and increased the popularity of banking service to the customer. As per STEM, bank manager provides various types of electronic banking service to the customer in the light of the policy of modernization in his bank. As a result of such modern services, the quality of life of the customers is improving and the number of the customer of the bank is increasing. The modern banking services of the banks are improving the quality of life of the customers as well as ensuring their profitability. In the light of the above discussion, we can say that the statement of the bank manager is correct. Today's homework, Kumilla Board 2019, is another STEM for you. This is your homework. Anika has an account at Fulkoli Bank. The bank provided him with an electronic card to provide round the clock service. If he needs taka 2500 for college admission fee, he can draw it from an electronic device. On the other hand, his friend Sonia does not have an account in the bank, but the bank issues an electronic card. On the occasion of Eid, they both complete their shopping without cash with the help of cards. Here's the work. Where does Anika withdraw money from with the help of her card? Explain. And compare the two cards given to Anika and Sonia by Fulkoli Bank. For today, that's all. Thank you.
My dear students, that's all for today.